Hi everyone, I'm Heidi and we are in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen sponsored by TSET, and we happen to have Julie here from TSET,
Yes.
as well as Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. Thank you for joining us here, and I'm just going to let Val kind of jump in first. What are we working on today? What are we doing?
So we're making a banana bread, but we're changing it up because we're using chickpea flour, or garbanzo bean flour. And so it's going to be allergen free in terms of the top 8 allergens. And so if gluten intolerance or any kind of gluten allergy that you might have, we're sidestepping that.
Okay, this is a good alternative.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have chickpea flour. Our dry ingredients here are chickpea flour, a little sugar, a little bit of salt, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and then our wet ingredients are banana, canola oil, vanilla, a little bit of almond milk. And so we're just going to stir these together and pour them in the pan, pop it in the oven.
Okay, and while she's doing that, can you tell us a little bit about TSET and Shape Your Future?
Yeah, so Shape Your Future is a program of TSET, and it's really aimed to help Oklahomans have healthy habits. So eat better, move more, be tobacco free, and we're geared toward families because we know that parents and caretakers really set the norms for their kids, and so we want to make it easy, have resources at our website, shapeyourfutureok.com, so that we can have that healthier next generation.
Right, it's the little steps, and you kind of ingrain that in them as they get older, so that they will continue to pass that on as well. And I know some of these things, do you find them very easy for people? They're quick. I mean, is that a good...
Yeah, a lot of it is what do you have around the house, or how can you add vegetables to a meal, or how can you have extra bananas so you don't have to have as much sugar as you might have in a traditional banana bread recipe. So it is, what can we do? Small things, easy things, so that you are, incorporating health or reducing your overall sugar intake and keeping you fresh and moving.
Just monitoring those things, making little adjustments. Yes. All right, you are now to this point, so you had mentioned you pop it in the oven?
Yep, pop it in the oven. This takes about 30 to 35 minutes depending on your oven. And this is our finished product.
Now here's the finished product. It looks amazing, so I think we should test it, right?
Absolutely.
All right. So I will go ahead and just dive in, and if you want to do the same.
You're a middle eater, huh?
I'm a middle, I know. Look
middle brownie
I just
piece.
destroyed the middle right off the bat. All right, I'm going to taste this.
This was very popular at my house. Some people, I won't say who, didn't even know the difference between wheat flour and the chickpea flour.
No, it is so good. Seriously, you need to try this one. For more information, go to the website, 2kjrh.com, and I'm just going to keep eating and enjoy it.